guys something really fun in the mail. Today I got, drumroll, royal apple berries. Look, there's a crown. She put a crown on the package. Now I did kind of cut it open. This is one that was delivered to my sister's home so she could, get through customs and that. So it had to be open, but they didn't have to open it all the way. So let's see what I got. Now I'm gonna have to hold it up because my my system here is taped together with duct tape, so it's duct tape productions. But I'll show you everything as I lift it up, and of course you can see my reaction. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, look at that. So let's see. Okay, there's a note. So I have to show you. She wrapped it like a gift. Isn't that inventive? And it's in an envelope. Usually when I've gotten packages from soap makers, they wrap it in a box. Let's see. Enjoy, Kenny. Look, I got a sign. I got a signature from Kenny. Okay, I think she's really talented, and I really, really love her soap. So I'm really excited to see some of these high tops. Not high tops, tall and skinnies maybe. All right, so I'm taking it, opening it up. I'm going to tear it. So here's the first one, and I think this is one of the smaller sample bars that I got. Ribbon candy. Isn't that pretty? All the way through. This looks like a slab pour. If you haven't seen how she makes her soap, you need to check her out here on YouTube. She's got like 1 million subscribers, or maybe one day we'll have 1 million. Yeah, her and her crew are awesome, and her soap is awesome. This one actually has quite a bit of sparkle. I don't know if I can catch that. If I get it at just the right angle. Ribbon candy. Oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. So we'll put that right there. That's ribbon candy. All right, what's next? Oh, I think I get a tall bar. Oh, these are really tall. Oh, I love it. Okay, I need this mold. I'm sorry, I need this mold. This is beautiful. This one is called Madly in Love, and I fell in love with like this tiger stripy design. And she even put like gold on top. You can see that. It's beautiful. It's a nice soapy fragrance. I'm gonna enjoy that, but it's huge. Like it's tall. Some bars are fat. This one is like it's like 2 of those almost. It's huge. Does it say how many ounces it is? 4 to 6 ounce. 4.6. I don't know. I might need my glasses. Maybe you guys can read it. But it's got gold on the sides. One of these days I'm going to get her cat's pajamas. That design of hers is just awesome. It's super awesome. It's got little polka dots and stuff. I still haven't tried that technique, but I did get some mats to try. But I have another thing that I might want to do instead. But it's totally, I have to try it at least once to see if I can. Sometimes you just got to try it and see if you can. Okay, this one's going to be nice for Halloween. It's called Dance in the Dark. Isn't that beautiful? And I don't want to get the light on there just wrong. That's just beautiful. You can almost see a face in there. Can you see the face? The smiley face with the crazy hair? Can you see that in there? Oh my gosh, we're doing ink blot. Do you see, if you see something in this one, like a image inside it, put it in the link below. That's kind of cool. I see a little woman's face with crazy red hair. You see her neck? There's her neck. And there's her eye, and there's her hair. And she's smiling. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Okay, that's cool. So Dance in the Dark with a woman in the swirl. Oh, that's super fun. Okay, I'm going to put that there so you guys can continue to look at that just in case you didn't see it, because sometimes I used to gaze at the clouds. I'm one of those crazy kids who used to lay on the ground in the summertime and stare at the clouds and see what kind of pictures I could pick out. Okay, here's the next one. Pumpkin apple strudel. So we're ready for fall, people. Check this out. And look at that pumpkin. Isn't that absolutely adorable? She must have done those with either a mold or soap dope. It's absolutely adorable. That is fantastic. That is gorgeous. And I am loving these tall, skinny bars. My wholesale line is kind of this shape. I switched over to I had to make bigger batches of soap because a lot of my Naked Honey soap is really, really popular in the stores. Oh, look at the sparkles. So I went to this rectangular shape, but because they're this way and not this way, I think that makes them extra special. That's super pretty. Mine are this way. This is really cool though. This is really pretty. Super, super pretty. Pumpkin apple spice. Now I don't have my glasses on, so I'll let you read that. That's what's in it. Lots of really, really good nourishing oils and some really, really beautiful master soaping techniques. Definitely an artisan soap. Now I had somebody ask me, what's the difference between an artisan soap and a regular bar soap? And I make both. But the soap that I make, whether it's fancy or plain, is still artisan soap because of the ingredients that I use as well as the design. So some soap might be considered an artisan soap because of its design and how pretty it is and all of the work that they put into the design. Another type of soap might be considered an artisan soap because of the ingredients that they used and how they carefully planned out all of these skin nourishing ingredients. And it might look plain, but it's still a beautiful soap. So artisan soaps versus regular soap that you get in the store, say like, I'm not going to name names, but just pick one that's like $1 versus one of these, which is like $7, is the amount of work that went into it. And the fact that I believe that we as handmade soap makers deserve a living wage. But anyway, I digress. I'm getting off topic. Beautiful pumpkin apple strudel soap with a beautiful pumpkin. It's a red pumpkin. I've never seen anybody do that before. That looks really, really pretty. That is really, really pretty. One thing about Kenny is she does try to make her designs as original as possible. And I totally respect that. Oh, this is so pretty. And admire that about her products. And I do too. I mean, we get inspiration from each other, yes, but we're more inspired by our life and what's going on in it and what we love and enjoy. At least me, for one. So this is really, really beautiful, and I'm just kind of admiring it before I share it with you. Oh, this is such a simple design and yet so beautiful. This one is called Chameleon. There's the name. And check that out. I don't know if you can see the beauty that is this bar. Check out those mica lines. They're just gorgeous. So it's like a tan bar or an ivory bar, a little bit darker than ivory, with these beautiful green mica lines. Isn't that pretty? That does remind me of a chameleon. That's another thing about Royal Appleberry's soap. I mean, even her names are like one of them is the cat's pajamas, for example. I mean, it's just cute and it's neat and it matches her soap. A lot of people will just name their soap by their fragrance, and I like to use the fragrance in my name, but at the same time, I really, really admire people who can make it work with their design, and that's beautiful. The name and the fragrance is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to turn these around so you can see. And this one is huge. size of that. She did a tall, skinny, and then she also piped it. Just brilliant. And I've got one more in here. Oh, it's another short bar. It's fun. I'm going to be wanting to do a few of these kind of soap as well. This is called Peppermint Bark. Oh, this smells so good. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. These are neat because the designs go all the way through in a different way. That texture, that's going to be fun. Everything's got sparkle and everything's got pizzazz. Thank you, Royal Appleberry. I am glad that I spent my money on your company because this is going to be really fun to work my way through. I love visiting other soapy kitchens. Nice. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please go down to Royal Appleberry, watch her videos, like, subscribe, tell her how wonderful she is, and buy her products because you never really let's see which one's my favorite. Oh, there's 2, 3. You never really know what they're really like until you take the time to enjoy them for yourselves. Oh, yes, I'm madly in love with Madly in Love. Bye for now, guys. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click like and subscribe and join me back for another unboxing, a Way to Soapy Minute, a vlog in Victoria that, for soapy inspiration. There's a lot going on for the rest of the year. So stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.